I'm Lindsay Braddock and I'm Residential Sales Director here at Webbers, and I'm responsible for training, supporting and assisting the network of the Webbers offices across Devon, Cornwall and Somerset. So when you're searching for a property, there are various things that you need to consider, and the most important thing to start with is what can you afford. So if you're needing a mortgage, it's really important that you speak to an independent financial advisor who can advise you on the amount that you can borrow. They will then produce a mortgage in principle, which is a legal document which will confirm the amount that you can borrow and afford to purchase. Once you get this, this will ensure that the process is speeded up and will assist you when you're making an offer. In addition, most people will have a list of criteria that they're searching for. They start normally with 10, but it's normally sensible to put that down to 5 and be realistic with your search. You will have to be flexible. So what we need to know will be things such as, do you want garage, parking, gardens, and do you need to be close to local amenities such as bus routes, schools, doctors, etc. Once we have all this information, then our experienced property advisors again will be able to keep you fully updated with homes that will suit your needs. So again, you'll be emailed regularly with those properties that match your criteria. So when you're looking for a property, there's various ways that you can contact us at Webbers. Either pop into the branch, give us a call, or obviously email. All of these will ensure that you speak to an experienced property advisor who can talk you through the requirements so that we can put this all into our database that will ensure you receive the right details through. Once you're registered, you will receive regular property updates. We have an online property magazine and also a weekly property guide, all ensuring that you're kept up to date with all new listings. So once you make an offer on a property, it's really important that you have the best advice to walk you through this whole process. This is a legal contract and ensures that you need a safe pair of hands to guide you through. So it's important that the sales progressor is involved and will talk you through the offer stages. So once your offer is accepted on the property, we will obviously undertake anti-money laundering checks, which is necessary for any buyer. So the sales progressor now, with the offer being accepted, will again keep in contact with you on a regular basis, whether this is best by phone or email, whatever suits you. Again, they will keep in contact with the solicitors and make sure that everybody is updated on how the sale is progressing. So if you're thinking of buying a home, at Webbers we'd love to help you find that dream home. So give us a call, pop into the office or drop us an email.